Ayun.
That's the first class.
Baka yun yung mga yun eh.
Pero hindi ka obligadong magpapa-picture. Di ba minsan...
Ay, hindi. Hindi, pagka gano'n. Delikado buhay mo.
Oo, delikado. Monday, 5'8". Kaya. 5'8"?
Ta. Ay, ito pala, funeral.
Ano siya? Monday, Friday. Ay, Monday to Saturday.
Mountain bikes. White mountain rider owned bike shop. Tibay. Sa lakas. Tanga, gel kaagad to naman si Jaime, oh. Kala ko. Dopyo nga yan eh. Pampalakas. Jaime, gel kaagad. Di pa nagra-ride, gel na. Ay, ito si Michael mag-ano sa amin. Magtutour de guide.
Ano na tayo yung...
Allen from Dartford, si Chris. Magbabalik ni Pandayan dito sa probinsyano.
Ay, wala akong baterya.
Nasa gitna lang yan.
Hindi, sa kasi Shimano. Shimano ba? Kala ko lang SRAM.
Yeah, we are here at Isle of Wight doing a ride for our friend who just passed away, Kuya Roy Mabini. May you rest in peace, Kuya Roy. Si Jaime has been one of the pioneers of PCC UK. And this is his first ride after around 6 years. My God, just to attend this remembrance ride.
Sila, 2003 kami.
Tagal na yun, two decades na rin, oh.
So far.
Oo. Ayos.
Learning.
Yeah. Michael's already leading. Pasok, pre. Ayun. Pre Jaime, oh, pit stop ka agad, man. Para sa iyo yan, man.
Hindi na pala kay Roy.
Ayan si paring Joey, oh. Kasama yan sa London to Paris. Michael, Ryan, Garin.
Anton.
Yan, Anton. Eroika to si Dennis, oh. Walang helmet. Ayan oh, kita nyo ba si Jaime? Walang tubig oh, mga biyahe, walang tubig. Tapos, ginawang training tong Isle of Wight. Walang practice yan, ilang years yun pre? 3 years? Woo!
Kita mo kung cadence na yan.
Sana all. Anong cadence mo? Sana all.
Latpaan ka ba sa kaya? Tumaka sa kabasa.
Tinadya ka na yan.
Bakit itong kumain niyo?
Anton, first time ko mamit. Ayan, from Bournemouth. Sarap nyo, dagat man. Magkalapit lang ang pool, di ba? Pool ba yun? Michael, pare.
Hey.
Ilang taon mo nang nakilala si Kuya Roy?
Ay, from ano?
Very beginning? No?
Kasama ko yung asawa niya pagdating dito. 2001.
2001. Ang mga, kayo yung mga nauna, no? Tagal na rin pala, pre.
24 years.
Oo. Nakakalungkot lang, no?
Oo.
Kasi yung na tayo sa stage na ano eh, we live by the day.
Yun na nga.
Hindi mo na lang alam kung anong mangyayari.
Kaya YOLO.
Oo, YOLO, you only live once. Kaya gawin mo na
Gawin mo
dapat.
lahat,
Oo. Huwag ka na mag-isip-isip pa, no? Basta gawin mo.
Oo.
Kaya,
Huwag mo na ipabukas.
kaya nga.
Pwede mong gawin yan. Gawin mo na.
Oo.
Kasi tomorrow you never know.
You never know what will happen next. Kaya,
Kaya
wake up call din, no, pre?
as in, minsan nakakaano nga eh.
Kakalungkot. Pero alam nyo nang matagal na may nangyayari. Nung nag-ride tayo dito, simula na yon.
Baka, kung di ba payat na siya noon?
Oo. Oo nga.
Pero hindi pa siya na-diagnose.
Hindi pa siya na-diagnose.
Pero I think that was the start.
I see. Tubig? Hindi ko pa nga iniinuman yung aking drink. Para sa iyo to, pre.
Ano may style?
Ha?
Ano may style?
Ano na?
5 lang.
5 pa lang eh. 5.
He's 26, he's too old, but
Yeah.
Royd started so late.
So late,
He's
yeah.
like a 30-year-old.
Exactly, yeah. And the memory I have with him is with Joey.
Yeah.
We rode our first London to Paris ride. She's so strong.
Yeah.
Everyone is like salted already, and he's not. My God, yeah. And then I was so shocked it happened. But at least he enjoyed, didn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I went out with him a couple of times.
Yeah.
I did half the island, he did the whole island one time.
Tulak mo. Yun ang joke.
Yeah. Joke. It's a joke.
Wow. Partido ka yan ha.
Kaya nga eh. Biro mo, magra-ride. 3 years walang ride. Car! Pag natataranta ako, pre, carback pa rin sinasabi ko eh. Nag-ride today sa Regents Park, Cookers, Rapsa, Panayad. Ito, Dartford represent. Nandito si Allen.
Banggitin mo ako.
Ito ang bagong pagbabalik ng probinsyano, si Jaime Pertiera from Batangas, Philippines. Ayan, no? Yung padjak mo pre, bilog pa rin eh. Oh, diba? We're heading to Yarmouth now. Fresh water. That's the seaside. Dito ba tayo yung nag-break pre? Yung kabila. Wow.
Yata tayo nag-ano nun, di ba?
Kain
Hindi, doon sa
kabilang side.
Doon sa kabila, oo. Sa after ng yung
Ito sa mga ting. Ako na natin siya.
Ako naman tayo.
I went to go home and he went and caught everyone up. And I was like, he must have been so great to
Punta sa ferry.
Downhill lang yan. Yeah, kasi anong nangyari? Nasa marking.
Ay, shit! Oh, damn.
Ano yung
BMC.
No, yung Bianchi na BMC. Na red.
BMC.
That's the red one, isn't it?
Red. BMC.
Yeah.
Same Bianchi.
Salitan. Lahat.
Ayan na.
Salitan gano'n. Tapos mo ako. Lahat. Okay. May jacuzzi pa doon.
Ayos!
Ayos ah. Pwede kasama bike.
Ligo.
Sige mo na kayo. Don, huwag sa buntot ka lang ha. Baka sumakay na ako mamaya-maya.
Yeah, after 10 miles, we're heading back. And Isle of Wight Hospitality, one of the Kuya Roy's friends, is welcoming us for some tea and coffee. Maraming salamat, boys. Isle of Wight Pogi Boys. Hospitality.
Hindi masyado malamig, no?
Oo,
Narapan lang.
kaya nga.
Pangit ang basa ang kalsada. Hindi, bike na yun. Nasa dito din eh. Inoy. So, siguro mga worth mga
Newport. Oo.
Natapos ko itong hindi pinapupuli ka bibili at bike ko.
Ay, huwag dadasal ako niyan, pre.
Sabi niya, Allen,
all season daw all weather pala.
All weather. Malalaki na ngayon yung ano eh, yung clearance ng mga porks pa rin ngayon. Hirap. Papa, arte mo lang eh. Clear. Weather, man. At least probably around 3 more miles from the what they call tribute ride is over, and it's already 12 o'clock, so we still have time to have some meal before we head to our ferry at 4. It's a nice ride. If you got time, you would like to cycle the whole of the island. There's a 100-mile route with a punchy 6,000 feet of elevation, probably 8,000 if you would like to look for the other highlands. It's quite fun. The scenery is really good, especially if it's a nice sunny day. County town of Isle of Wight. Jaime said if he will not be having cramps on this 20-miler tribute ride, he will buy a new bike. Sana all. Looking forward to that. Thank you, Michael, man. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Yeah. Anton, representing Bournemouth, and Ryan Garin. Thank you for coming. Yummy.
So kayo ni Ryan, kukunin niyo pa ang kotse?
Ay, siguro.
Ito.
Depende.
Nasa ba? Sabay ba yan?
Bahay niya? Wala.
You got a view there. We're heading to one of the Kuya Rose friends after the ride, so it will be good to have some a bit of chat, the memories shared with everybody.
Sabi ko na
Ako din eh, pari din talaga ako sa pagkakas.
Thank you, pre.
yeah, I can picture.
Shall I close this, Dan?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Natutunan ko sa pasyente ko na trainer eh.
Oo.
Oo. Kaya don't let him jump.
Puro, kahit sa kabilang buhay, pinapagod tayo eh, no?
Ako napagod. Baka nag-base na si Allen.
Ano muna yung mga mahihigit? Ang pula yung kanin ko.
Ayos siyempre ah.
Itong the best.
Paborito naman dyan.
Kakain ng gulay. Mahirap.
Nagbihis. Kaya pala sabi na,
Mag-rice ka naman, pre. Hindi, kukuha mo na ang sabaw. Ay, sorry. Tapos, lalagay ko dito yun. Muntik na. Tapos, nakakukuha ng kanin. Utak yun, ha?
Magaling, magaling. Sanay sa buffet.
ay cancels mo na. Cancel ang producer, right?
Hindi ko po sama sa KFC.
Yun. Bawal lang overtake. Doon ka sa kabila.
Lalagay kita. Para makakuha ka na sabaw.
Pre, Joey, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Pre, Mike, thank you ha. Tulog ka muna.
Babalik ka ba dito ulit?
A few moments later.
May toilet ba dyan sa taas? Iiyong sa dagat. Uy, baka meron dito yung mga naninisit na
Heading back to mainland.
Hindi yung mga piso, oh. Diyan lang ba may toilet, pre? Yun na ako eh.
Moving. Farewell, Isle of Wight. White Link heading to Isle of Wight, and we are heading back to Portsmouth. How are you, boy?
Ano masabi mo sa ating nabiling barko?
Mali. Mali. Ganda, pre. Ganda.
Ayos ba?
You know. Maganda yung mga special guest mo yan, pre, oh. Nagpa-practice na sa pension, nagpi-fishing na.
Hintay ko makahanap ng sirena.
Isang sirena. Meron. Wala atang dolphin. Mababaw.
Now please return to the Carlex and readiness for disembarkation. Please remember to take all of your personal belongings with you. Descending the stairwells, please use the handrails provided. I remind you, this is a no-smoking vessel. This does include e-cigarettes inside your vehicles until well clear of this ship. The captain and crew would like to thank you for travelling with White this afternoon. Wish you a safe and pleasant holiday.
Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything.